pagod, yung burnout. Ako naman, ano kaya? Burnout, di ko pa masabi. Kasi I'm very new din. So, right na habang may energy pa ako, habang bata pa ako, I'm trying to really make the most. And I'm sure also Ash, diba? But, yeah, go.
Pero siguro kung darating man po yung panahon na yun, siguro isipin namin kung bakit kami nagsimula, kung bakit namin gusto yung ginagawa namin. Kasi darating talaga yun eh, parang minsan mapapagod ka, isipin mo kung tuloy ko pa ba to, ganyan. Pero kung aalalahanin mo kung bakit mo gusto tong ginagawa mo, parang mababago yung mood mo, mababago parang ma-revive yung eagerness mo gawin ulit yung trabaho mo. Yun po. Next question.
Add ko lang po, it helps din siguro, although it helps din siguro na they really like each other's company. So parang nag-lift up nila each other in spite of the stress. Diba? It helps kasi pag ganun, diba? So imagine mo lang, halimbawa, hindi nila gusto yung isa't isa tapos nandito sila sa ganitong trabaho. Talaga mag-a-attitude sila. Pero yun, I think it's, aminin nyo, nakakabawas ng stress. You like being in each other's company because you support each other.
Yun nga, if I may add na parang, when I'm with Ash, halimbawa kapag nasa-stress ako sa mga eksena or mga trabaho namin, mas na-feel ko na, okay, kasama ko si Ash, so I can always, work with her and there's that dynamic. Or minsan kapag nasa-stress si Ash, tinutulog ko din siya in those times. And it's a team effort. We help each other,
Next question. In some level, minamahal niyo na ba ang isa't isa?
Pakinggan mo nga.
Yes, Direk.
Ako muna? Aminin ko talaga, like, there is love talaga. Because we have this bond, the amount of time that we've worked with each other and everything. We're really, really, really good friends. And there is that bond. And syempre naman because she's my friend, there is that love, And I really appreciate Ashteen for who she is. And definitely, I would say that she's helped me so much in my journey because kahit bago pa ako, she makes it easier for me to work in some of these sequences, And yun, ikaw.
Ako, same po, syempre my love din. Kahit sino na. Hindi, syempre, love namin si Direk, love namin. Totoo yun, kasi mas makakapag-work kayo ng maayos if love niyo yung isa't isa. And sobrang thankful talaga ako na ang kasama ko ngayon ay si Andres. Kasi sobrang mas magaan talaga, tulad po na sabi ni Direk, mas magaan magtrabaho kapag trust mo or comfortable ka sa partner mo. Thank you po.